Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to show percentage in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. For example, if you have several values in cells and you want to apply a percentage format to them, select these cells and click on the percentage icon in the number section. As a result, we get huge values of 2000%, 4000%, and not 20 and 40% as you might expect. Because when you apply the percentage format to cells that already contain numbers, Excel multiplies those numbers by 100 and adds the percent sign at the end. To avoid this, we will calculate the numbers in percentage before applying the percent format. For example, if your original numbers are in column B, you can enter the formula B2 divided by 100 in cell C2 and then copy it down to all other cells in column C. Then select the entire column C and click the percentile. And our numbers have been converted to percentage format. If we need the entered numbers to be immediately converted to percentage format, then we can simply apply the percentage format to the empty cells. Any numbers equal to or greater than 1 is converted to percentage by default. For example, 2 is turned into 2%, 20 into 20%, and so on. And a little tip, Excel sometimes shows rounded percentage without decimal places, which can lead to some confusion. For example, let's apply the percentage format to an empty cell and then enter 0.2 into it. And what do we see? We see their percent, although we know for sure that it should be 0.2%. To see the actual percentage instead of a rounded version, you just need to increase the number of decimal places showing. To do this, you can control the number of displayed decimal places by clicking the increase decimal or decrease decimal icons on the ribbon in number group. And the easiest way to convert a number to percentage format is to enter it immediately with the percentage sign directly into the cell. Excel will understand that you are entering a percentage and automatically apply a percentage format, what will be marked on the ribbon in the number section. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.